wasn't for the little ways I fall short every day of my life, I would be perfect. If it wasn't for the million things that I never can seem to get right. But I got this peace inside, 'cause I know that every time I give you failures and you give me grace, all of my problems don't push you away. And somehow you love somebody like me. Don't know how you do it, but you do it perfectly. You do it perfectly. Oh God, you're perfect, and you're never gonna break a promise. You're faithful beginning to end, and I don't deserve it. Oh, 'cause I got nothing I could offer you, but you took me in and called me your friend. I give you failures and you give me grace. All of my problems don't push you away, and somehow you love somebody like me. Don't know how you do it, but you do it perfectly. You do it perfectly. Hey. Oh, perfectly known, perfectly made. Because of the cross I am perfectly saved. I give you failures and you give me grace, and all of my problems don't push you away, and somehow you love somebody like me. Don't know how you do it, but you do it. Oh, I give you failures and you give me grace. All of my problems don't push you away, and somehow you love somebody like me. Don't know how you do it, but you do it perfectly. You do it perfectly. Perfectly, perfectly. You do it perfectly.
This dance is called Perfectly Perfect, choreographed by Joshua Talbot and Stephen Paterson. It's a 24 count, 2-wall, intermediate level rolling 8 count line dance. There are 3 restarts in this dance. Section 1, starting with the left foot forward, hit your right foot back, sweep your left foot, sailor step, half turn right foot, sailor step. Now you're facing 6, left foot forward, hit your right foot back, sweep your left foot, sailor step, right foot, behind side cross. Section 2, rock to the side and twist your upper body to the left, recover, quarter turn to your right, facing 9, half turn right, left foot together, facing 3, right foot, rock back, recover, half turn left, right foot together, facing 9, left foot, back, cross, back, right foot, back, cross, back, left foot, rock back, recover, half turn right, left foot together, quarter turn right foot together. Now you're facing 6 o'clock. Section 3, cross weave. Cross together, behind together, 1/8 right, forward, raise your right knee, right foot, back, 1/8 left, together side, facing 6, left foot, side, behind left foot, together, right foot, cross rock, recover, together. Now you're facing 6 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance, there are 3 restarts. On wall 3 and wall 6, you will dance 16 counts, then restart the dance. On wall 3, you restart the dance facing 6. On wall 6, you restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 3 with count starts facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and This is the end of 16 counts. Now restart the dance facing 6 o'clock. On wall 5, you will dance 12 counts, then restart the dance facing 6 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 5 with count starts facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the end of 12 counts. Now make a quarter turn to your left to 6 o'clock to restart the dance. 1. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.